My name is Jason Lazarus. I'm creating a site-specific installation for SFMOMA called At Sea, and it's a collection of found photographs I've been amassing over the past few years. The one thing that ties them together is that all of the photographs have been written on the back in some form or fashion. So about 10 years ago, I'm going through my grandmother's archives and I stumble across a snapshot that says, tornado 3 miles west of home, 1970 La Crosse. And I thought to myself, wow, that is an epic visual experience. I don't even have to turn the photograph over to have it. In fact, when I did turn the photograph over to see the image, I thought the writing was strangely a lot more interesting than the snapshot itself. The photographs may be as old as the latter half of the 1800s, and they go as recent as the late 1990s, early 2000s. When physical photographs were written on, I think the audience for those images was oftentimes the family itself. And nowadays, when someone posts a photo and they either type out a caption or hashtag it, I feel like the way that we're archiving is much more performative. We are archiving as a public act. I typically have a seed image. A seed image being an image that I find really compelling. It's like the first few lines of a story. So in the case here, the phrase that I'm starting with is at sea. And for me, that title has multiple resonance. We're literally on the coast, but more importantly, I find that a lot of the snapshots that have been written on the back of, these have been orphaned, they are at sea. There's a moment in the installation where on the back of one photograph, it just says SF, and right next to that photograph, there's another one that says Allen and his organ. And indeed, this is a snapshot of Allen Ginsberg, the poet. And for me, that is a very special kind of SFMOMA acknowledgement in the installation. When I look at the writing and the backs of photos, I feel like, number one, I'm getting another kind of image. I still think it's a very photographic experience. It's very literary, it's very compelling. And I kind of want to share that experience with the viewers. It's an invitation to think visually through their own mind's eye.